Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use either land or portrait mode. You walk into the scene. All you need to do here is just to make a jump and clap your hand. After that, you can now record an empty background for a few seconds.
Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut.
Okay guys, already I've shown you the first method. Now we are going into the second method. So click on CapCut now. Click on new video guys. Click on new video. Still import that same video we used for the first one. Okay. Import this video to your work space. At this point, let us mark out the unwanted part, the parts we don't want. So you are going to be clicking it from here to make a split. Okay, you delete this first part. Okay, so locate where you want video to start. Immediately you jump up, click here. You are going to be making another split here. Then you go and immediately you walk out, make another split at this point guys. Delete this middle part. Okay, this is exactly what we got yesterday. Okay, this is exactly what we got yesterday, but today I am going to be showing you another pattern of doing this disappearing video. So click on that middle there, that splitted point. Now locate classic, look at it there, click on that classic there. Then you come and click this point here. Click on this one that look like mirror. Click it. Look at it. You can decide to adjust it to the end, but look at what we have got. Yesterday disappearing just happened, bam, immediately. But you can see that this one, immediately he jumped up. The disappearing was not just fast, it faded out before it disappeared. So this is the second part. This is the another way of creating disappearing video, depending on what you want people to see, depending on what your storyline is and what you want people to understand. You can decide to click that middle again and reduce your fading number. Look at how I reduced mine. Look at it here. After that, you mark on that good, then you go back. Okay, but this is the second method on how to create your disappearing video, depending on what you want people to understand. All right, come back here the next time. The next video we're going to drop in, I'll be showing you the third and very important part of it, important method. Then remember to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effects you want to add on this video. And after that, we are going to be exporting this one to our gallery as this video is ready. Okay, you can even decide to be creating only this disappearing video, different style, different ways, and posting them on your social media handles. Click on export now, then you export your video. Now we are stored in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, if you have any magic effects or CapCut tricks you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, thank you for watching guys. See you in our next video, which is the third method.